Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to subscribe to Meta Verified on Instagram step by step. Meta Verified is a paid subscription that gives your account a blue verification badge, stronger account protection and access to support. With Instagram and Meta's subscription service, users can now get verified by subscribing and confirming their identity. Once approved, your profile receives a verified badge and additional features. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process using your mobile phone, so just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. If this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. Now the first step you have to take is to open your Instagram app. So let me tap on my Instagram app to open it right away. So once your Instagram app opens up and you're logged into your Instagram account, the next step you have to take is to tap on your Instagram profile icon. You can see it right there at the bottom right. Let me tap on it. Now the next step you have to take is to tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. You can see it right there at the top, that 3 horizontal bar. So let me tap on it right away. Right here, what you have to do now is to simply scroll to the bottom. So what I'll do now is to scroll. So let me quickly scroll down. Let me scroll. Then what you have to look for is insight and tools. You're going to see insight and tools. You can see it right there, insight and tools. Then under the insight and tools, you're going to see where it is written Meta Verified. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. And on the right hand, you can see where the arrow is pointing. It is written not subscribed. That means I'm not subscribed to Meta. I'm not Meta Verified. I don't have the blue tick yet. So I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to get the blue badge right away. So what I'll do now is to tap on where you can see Meta Verified. So let me tap on it. Right here is the next step. This step has to do with choosing the subscription that you want to go for. As you can see, then let me scroll upwards. As you can see right here, we have the standard plan, and you can see the features you're going to be getting. The first one there is Meta Verified badge. You can see the next one there, search optimization. You can see all of the benefits you're going to be getting if you go for the standard plan. And if you scroll down, you're going to see the features that are not available under the standard plan. Let me scroll now to the right to show you guys the other plans. You can see this one right here. This is the plus plan. You can see try the plus, and you can see the benefits you're going to be getting. You're going to get the verified badge, which is at the top. So what you have to note is that all the features you're going to find in the standard plan, you're also going to find it right here in the plus plan with additional features. Let me scroll now to the next plan, which is the premium plan. All the features you're going to find in the plus plan, you're going to find it right here in the premium plan. You can see you can get the verified badge if you go for this plan. You can see the features right here. There are several features you're going to get under the premium is bigger. Let me scroll now to the last plan, which is the max plan. You can see it right there. This is the max plan, which is also called the maximum plan. You can see you have more features right here in the max plan, or you're going to find in the premium. You're going to find it right here in the max. So what you have to do is to choose the plan that you're going for. So let me go for the plus plan. So what I have to do now is to go through the features and see if it is what I want to go for. Then after I'm done deciding, what I can do is to simply tap on where you can see the unlock benefits. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. You can see it's loading up. Then right here is the next step. So what you have to do is to read through all of this. This is where you're going to find the amount you ought to pay for your subscription. You can see right there 18,000 has been slashed. It says I'm going to be paying 1,200 for the first month. So after the first month, I'm going to continue paying 18,000. The reduction in this price is because I'm actually subscribing to Meta Verified for the first time, so they had to give me a discount. You can see what's written down there. It says what you get with your subscription. The first one is verified badge, the second one is increased account protection. So what you have to do next now is to tap on continue down there. By tapping on continue, you are agreeing to the terms of service for this subscription. So let me go ahead now to tap on continue. You can see it's processing the subscription. Then right here is the next step. It's showing me the amount I'm paying and the amount I'm going to be paying the following month. It says there cancel at any time in subscription on Google Play. So I can cancel the subscription anytime, and it says there we will send you a reminder 7 days before your intro price expires. So before this first month discount that was given to you expires, a reminder will be sent to you 7 days before the actual time for the expiration. Now the next step is to tap on subscribe. You can see it down there. By tapping on subscribe, you agree that your subscription automatically renews until cancelled. So your subscription to Meta is going to be renewed monthly until you decide to cancel it. You can cancel it in your Google Play Store or in your Google account. So what I'm going to do now is tap on subscribe. So let me tap on subscribe. But before you can be able to tap on subscribe, you must first of all add your payment method. As you can see right there, I've added my payment method. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. That's my MasterCard. I've added my card's details. You can add whichever card that you have, be it Visa, just add it. So if you have Visa, Verve or MasterCard, go ahead to add the details. Before you go ahead to tap on subscribe, you have to add your MasterCard details. I've added my MasterCard details already before now. That's why you can see it is visible right there. So you can decide to add your payment method or your card details to your Google account before you go through this process, or you can decide to add your card details while going through this process. So you decide which that you want. I've already added my payment plan, which is my card details, to my Google account. That's why it's appearing here. So what I will do now is to quickly show you guys how you can add your card. So let me tap on that icon right there. You can see where the arrow is pointing. Let me tap on it. Then right here is the next step. It says add payment method to your Google account. So what you can simply do is to tap on where you can see add card. They'll be able to add your credit card or your debit card details. The details you're going to add there include your CVV number, which is the 3 digits at the back of your debit card or your ATM card. You're also going to add the expiry date of the card, which is the month and the year it expires. And also you're going to be required to input the 6 digits, the first 6 digits in the 18 digits that is in front of your ATM card. So guys, let me go back now to proceed with this process. So let me quickly tap on subscribe. You can see subscribe there. You can see it says right there processing your subscription. Wow guys, you can see it says right there subscribed. So I've been able now to subscribe to Meta Verified. You can see what it says there. It says I should turn on backup payment method. So if you have other payment method that you want to turn on, you can tap on turn on. So let me quickly tap on turn on. You can decide to leave it that way. You can see it's loading up, it's processing. Let's wait a few seconds. Right here is the next step. It says review in progress. It typically takes up to 48 hours for us to review your information. We will send you a notification on Instagram when we are done or when we are finished. So guys, this review is important for them because they have to check your personal information to be sure you're really the one that is actually going for the verified badge. So guys, and what I'm going to do now is to go back to the home page so I can refresh my page to see if the verified badge is now showing, if the Meta verified. So let me refresh, then let me tap on the menu icon again at the top right. Then let me scroll down to where I can find your insight and tools, in which I will find the Meta verified. You can see the Meta verified right there. You can see, and on the right hand it says now subscribed. Initially it was showing not subscribed. This subscribed right there is a confirmation that I've subscribed to Meta verified and I now have the blue badge. So let me tap on it right away to open it up. Wow guys, you can see the verified badge right there. You can see it right there on my name. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me go ahead now to tap. You can see it says right there your benefits, verified badge, and let me tap on view all benefits. You can see where it is written view all benefits. Let me tap on it. You can see it says here your benefits. You can see all the benefits: verified badge, impersonation protection, enhanced support, and the rest of them. You can see all of them. You can go ahead to read them. Let me go back now. Then let me tap on verified badge. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it. You can see right there, you can see the blue badge right there on my name, right next to my name on the right hand side. That's the blue badge, the verified Meta verified blue badge. So what I'll do now is to go back. Let me go back to the home page to see if I got a notification from Instagram for the success of the subscription. You can see right there, you can see I got a notification. Let me tap on the notification icon at the top right. Let me tap on it. So as you can see under the notifications, I got a message from Instagram. It says right there, we confirmed your identity. Your Meta verified subscription is now active. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, this is how you can be able now to subscribe to Meta verified on Instagram. And I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.